Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's video review, I wanted to share the technical view that I have of NVDA right here. It's a chart that has really done a great job of respecting Fibonacci proportion. If you can think back to this Friday, where the stock traded into the new lifetime high at 974, there was a very healthy flush off of that print, continuation into that Monday that holds the 10 EMA. And off of that rising moving average, you can see right where the 618 retracement of the decline has held. So if you are bearish, there's a way that you could quote for something like this, where the 925.23 area does remain resistance, and you could turn lower from that. But, I'm usually not going to try to look for that trade. I'm going to try to look for the trade that is moving in the direction of the moving averages, and then share with you what I think are kind of the two time frames to look at for your trade. Because to say that this is going to break resistance and really get running tomorrow for Friday, I feel like that is somewhat unlikely. I feel like when we look at the options positioning for NVDA, and of course NVDA trades a ton of notional value, but when you look at that key gamma strike at 900 and you look at the call wall at 900, these are strikes that price will usually stay magnetic for days like tomorrow's expiration. Then after all of those weekly expirations have fallen off, then you get into Monday of next week and the market can become untethered from that particular option series and go on to do what it wanted to do. And then the question, again, of that technical resistance, of the level at 900, and of the squeeze on this 195-minute chart will become in focus. So in summary, that's a way of saying I think we're around 900 tomorrow. We should close somewhere near that. And then if the markets can hold together over the weekend, this opens up, anywhere from $10 to $30. The overnight movement at this has been a little erratic, but any kind of gap like that on Monday just sets the trend up to continue. If instead the resistance does hold, well then that, direction of following the moving averages will break and I'll have to reassess things. But for now, I think the path of least resistance is still looking something like 1,000, and I want you to keep that in mind as you get into next week's trading. So thank you for your time. I hope you find the review helpful. Hope to see you in the chat rooms tomorrow, and we will pick up the conversation there. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com. And I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.